Hello everyone. So friends, in our previous lecture we saw that how we can perform the capturing of arguments whenever our mock method is called on the mock object. So we can simply capture the arguments and then we can perform the asserts on the top of the captured arguments. So friends, in our previous lecture we saw that how we can create an argument captor using the argument captor class like this, calling for class and providing the type. So friend, Mockit also provides us an annotation to capture the arguments, and the annotation is @captor present in org.mockito, and here we can simply provide argument captor book. We'll simply copy this, something like this. So when we provide this annotation, we don't have to do something like this here. We'll simply remove this line and we have this book argument captor ready. Now we can capture the arguments whenever the save is called, and then we can perform asserts on the top of it. If I run the test case, so friends, here you can see the test case got executed successfully. So friends, in this lecture we saw that how we can use @captor annotation to perform the argument capturing. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.